Hello, all my divas and gurus. It's me, MalanB, and this is the Heavy on Fashion product review. Today, I'm going to talk about Olea Essence. It's a olive oil based skincare line. It's going to be really fun. I was able to review three really great products, and I am going to give you some really cool details on it. So the three products which I got to review came in this really cute box. It shows pictures of the farm and how they pick the olives there, and it's adorable. The presentation was fantastic. So I really want to take the time to thank the Olea Essence for sending this over to me. It was really cool to see, and also received emails from the company. They showed how they get the olives from the tree. It's really fascinating to see the process that this company went through to make this skincare line. Okay, so I received three items from Olea Essence. One of them is the face serum. The face serum is a fast absorbing anti-aging serum. You could do it overnight, you could do it in a day. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I do the face serum as my morning routine. I do that along with the eye cream. I really like it that way. Some people, if you choose to do it at night, go for it. But I do the face serum in the morning with the eye cream. I do like it. It does not have a smell. Some people will feel like if you're using a lot of olive oil that smell. It does not. It goes on very smooth. For the past few days I've been using it, I have seen some slight improvements, but to be honest, you cannot tell any huge improvements unless you're using a product for more than 30 days. So I'll give you a word back on it. But so far, so good. I really like how the face serum comes on. Again, it was retailing for about $65. Second is the eye cream. Again, I added that to my morning routine along with the face serum. Now, the eye cream with the silk proteins is supposed to be retailing for $123. It has silk proteins, olive oil, avocado. It's supposed to help with puffiness, reduce dark circles, and fine lines. I don't care about the lines. I'm interested in the puffiness and the dark circles. I have been using it. Again, I haven't been using them for more than 30 days, so I can't tell you if I've seen a huge reduction in it, but it does go on smooth. It does not have a weird odor to it. And I have seen some improvement in regards to the puffiness. I haven't seen anything in regards to the dark circles, but again, that takes time. So I might do after 30 days of me using the product to see if there's any improvements. Last, I got the Nourishing Night Cream with the silk proteins, and that's retailing for $119. That is packed with a whole bunch of botanical oils, antioxidants. It is supposed to repair, hydrate, and protect against elemental stressors or pretty much the environment. I do this. I do like this collection. It's very easy to use. Again, for me, I use the face serum and the eye cream in the morning, and then I do the night cream at night because I know myself and I'm not going to do a huge routine at night. Most of the time, I am exhausted. If I can go in and wash my face and put my night cream on and go to bed, that's what I'm going to do. I will say this. Now, I will say, though, I love the eye cream and the night cream is great. My favorite item from what I received from Olea is the facial serum. I think it's really good. It goes on nice. And it just, for me, in the morning makes me feel refreshed. If you want to do it at nighttime, again, go for it. That's my favorite product. But I totally understand. I do like the night cream. The night cream is great. But if you have an issue with not falling asleep, I would definitely say get the serum. It's really great. I like the night cream. I think it's fantastic. And the eye cream, I think it's really good too. I save that for a morning routine type of thing to help with the puffiness and the dark circles. That's my goal, to try to get that down for me and to make sure my face is moisturized. So These are really great options.